How to sign out of your Netflix account from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out your Netflix account from other devices, or how you can sign out your account that is logged in on other devices. Once you're signed in or once you're logged in, you want to tap on the My Profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you want to tap on the hamburger or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to select the option that says account, and it should take you to other page here. Now, once the other page loads up, you want to scroll down below. And once you scroll down, you can see manage access and devices option. You want to tap on it. And once you tap on it, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see every single device your account is logged in on. You can simply tap on sign out option below the particular device that you wish to log out or sign out your account from, and it'll get signed out. So this way you can sign out Netflix from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.